for this make, I am going to repurpose this pot, massive pot here of popcorn, because for my birthday I got loads of bath bombs, which is fabulous. I love bath bombs, but as much as I love Lush, and I really, really do, their products just get delivered in a cardboard box. So I wanted something that was a little bit less drab and a bit less cardboard boxy to hold my bath bombs in the bathroom. So what I'm going to do is take the lid off. I've cleaned this out. I'm going to pop off the handle like so. And then using my glue gun, I'm going to use this twine and wrap it round all the way up. It'll take a little while, but it'll get it done. And therefore it'll be a little bit less, like I say, less drab, less bland, less cardboard boxy, and nice farmhouse effect with this twine wrapped round. And then once I've done the whole thing, I'm going to use these black wooden Scrabble tiles that I just had left out, but I think you can get these on Amazon as much as anywhere else, but I'm pretty sure I got those on there but a long time ago. And using my all-purpose clear adhesive, I'll stick those onto the front just so it says bath time or bath relax. I'm not quite sure what combination I'm going to do, but I have it on the front so it's just not all brown and twiny. Then I'm going to fill it in with the biodegradable packers that Lush give me and put my bath bombs in it and have that on the side in the bathroom. So I'll get on with wrapping the twine around the box. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, do subscribe to my channel to be one of the first to know when I upload a new video. Enjoy the make!